Giving innuendos on the evidence tendered. They have a duty to accurately report and not make conclusions. Thirdly, the media is ordered to strictly comply with the media guidelines on reporting, especially in court proceedings. And finally, that this court shall not hesitate, underline that, hesitate to make further orders if strict compliance of the above directions are not complied with, and we shall be monitoring, and we will move through motor also. I will therefore direct that this matter proceeds to the just swear again so that she can be reminded that.
Before she strongly wanted to put it on record that we've agreed to waive the right strict evidence rules. These gadgets that we have here, some are yellow, they might not have the certificates of that, so that the documents will produce and before we proceed from there, you want to allow us to refer to a divorce court number 150 of 2010 before the Milimani High Court. When were you officially married? Divorced that month?
We were officially, that is, we got the decree Nisi.
Which day were you given the decree Nisi?
On the 4th of December 2015.
4th of December 2015. The decree Nisi was supposed to last for how many days?
The decree Nisi shall become absolute after 30 days.
So the judge allowed you 30 days?
Yes.
30 days. What happened after 30 days?
So after 30 days, which then should be 3rd of January 2016, I was a free person.
The decree absolute?
A decree absolute, yes.
So you had the capacity to marry Honorable Mithika Linturi as from which date?
From 3rd of January 2016.
From 3rd of January.
Yes.
2. Which specific day did you marry Honorable Mithika Linturi?
I had earlier indicated a date of 16th of April 2016.
You had indicated earlier where? In your affidavits?
In my affidavits?
Yes.
16th of April 2016. But I was corrected, and the date was actually 26th of March 2016.
What happened that the date changed from 16?
Okay, so the initial date that had been agreed was the 16th of April 2016. And at some point, Mithika Linturi asked that the date be brought to the Easter weekend because of the people traveling from Meru. So the Easter weekend, unlike all other years, was falling in March, the end of March. So Easter was from the 25th to 28th. So we put our timing at that time. So my parents and everybody else had planned for the 16th of April, but it was pushed forward, and the ceremony actually took place on the 26th of March 2016.
Under whose request was that granted?
Mithika Linturi.
So you confirm that the wedding ceremony that we dealt with was done on which day?
26th of March 2016.
Thank you. Do you have any evidence showing the wedding ceremony that you conducted?
Yes, we do.
Then we will be playing the slideshow of the photos to confirm the wedding that was done. We have provided my learned friend the photos in an affidavit, in a further affidavit dated 5th of April 2019. The court has a copy of the photos. We have the videos, the photos recorded. I've since given my good friend the flash disk with the 8 GB. We do surrender one to the court for the court record. Look at the first photo that is there. The court will have a chance to look at it. What is the first photo there?
Perhaps it would help my Lord because those photos are in the bundles of documents. If Council can refer to the relevant page so that we are looking at.
This.
Have the privilege of seeing the screen.
We went to the screen. I've given you the slideshow. The slideshow.
Not really also do that you are saying. If you can see it here. Okay.
No. The slideshow, the council will be there. Kindly describe the first photo that you are seeing on the screen.
The first photo is myself, smiling very hard, holding a leaf of mirror, and at the background is my uncle, Andrew, and a few relatives at the back, and also far end is...
Court.
Sorry, and far end is, I can see one of Mithika's people who came, and I can actually see him in court here today. He's called Tongai Mitu. He's seated somewhere there.
One of the people who came from Meru is seated in court.
Yes.
And you can identify.
Yeah.
Have you seen your husband there?
Yes, I can see him. I can see his face from the side.
What is he carrying? Come on.
He has been given a leaf of mirror as well, a stem.
He has been given a leaf of mirror.
Yes.
Thank you. Why are you smiling in this photo?
It is because of what I had been told about the mirror as I was given the bunch. So I think when we get to the bunch, I should be able to describe.
Right. Now we can go to the second slideshow. Kindly describe to this court the second photo in the slideshow, what it entails. Who are the people present?
Okay, Mithika Linturi is facing me, and I am talking to him. I have mirror on my hand, and next to me is again my uncle Andrew, and my other uncle next to him called Naftali Lele, and he was actually describing the mirror to me. That's why I was attentive, as you can see.
What did he describe to you about the mirror?
Okay, he described first that I need to hand over that mirror to my uncle, who will then ask the question whether they should eat this mirror or not. But before he handed over, he also told me to please take note of the way it is being tied.
We'll get it the way it is tied and we'll look at it. Are you still seeing your husband there?
Yes, I am talking to him.
Has he changed the mode of dressing?
No.
It is the same one.
Same.
Thank you. Let's go to the third one. Kindly describe the third photo. That's the one we have passed?
No, that's the It's the same one.
That's the same one.
Yes.
Let's
Now,
go ahead.
on that
Yes.
photograph,
Yes.
I have just handed over the bunch of Mira to my uncle Andrew, and he's holding it in his hand and addressing Mithika Linturi. So he was then, I think he was now following the instructions that had been given to him, that when he gets the bunch, he then needs to ask me whether I should, whether we should eat this Mira. So I think he's asking that question or reaffirming that question to me.
Who is this Andrew?
Andrew is my uncle. He's my paternal. He's now our father since my father passed on in the year 2000. So since then, he's been the father figure in our family.
In this photo, he's representing what symbol?
The father.
The father. Whose father?
My father.
Thank you. Go ahead. Thank you. Look at that photo and explain to the Honorable Court what is happening.
So in that photo, I have been given my leaf of Mira, and I am actually chewing it. And just to the background is my uncle, who also has his. So that's basically what the photo has. So meaning that I accepted, he has accepted that we are married. So that's what we are doing, chewing the Mira as a symbol.
This is you chewing Mira.
Yes.
For how many years have you been chewing Mira?
0. 0. I had never chewed Mira before.